Hey everyone, it's Megan with CraftyPlannerLovR here, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be planning for October 16th through the 22nd in my catch-all planner using a couple of different items, but the kit that we're going to be using is by TheCosmicStudio. So originally she was known as MahaNoorStudio, but she changed her handle and now it is TheCosmicStudio, and I thought this kit would be good to use for the spooky season. This was actually a freebie I got during one of her sales, and she still has it available on her website along with a couple of other items, but I don't know if she still has a PR team. She kind of went dark for a little bit, so if you want to use my code to see if it works, you totally can. It is Megan15, saves you 15% off if the code is still active. But this is the Muted Florals sticker sheet. So you've got 3 functionals, box of normal, box of decorative, and then another box of decorative, and then 3 different, what are these called? Deco. And I thought they like looked kind of like spooky, especially with the inks here. So I thought this would be a good kit to use, and to make it extra spooky, I'm going to use some freebies. So I've got the Bat Swarm from Redhead Stickers, which I am on a PR for her, and if you use my code Megan, it'll save you 15% off of your order. And then I also have these freebies from Prism Cherry that I got during one of her sales, and I thought these little deco pieces worked well. I also have an entire sticker book full of Halloween and like different freebies here, so I will be pulling from there just to see if there's anything else that matches. And then MahaNoorStudio or TheCosmicStudio also had a chores freebie that she gave me, and I thought these would be good to use for my actual chores. And then I also have some washi here, and this washi I felt like matched pretty well with the colors. So now that we've gone through everything, we're going to go ahead and open up and get started with this week. Alrighty, so I think I'm going to start by covering the spine with this washi, and you can kind of see the colors of the spine through the washi, but at this point, I just do not care. I do not like the spine of this planner at all, but I have tried to make it work well in my planner, and I think it's been working pretty okay, because you guys know I like to add washi to the spine of my planner most of the time anyway, so not a big deal. And for my catch-all, this is going to be fine until the end of 2023, because for 2024, I already have my planner ready to go. It is going to be a 2024 Hobonichi Weeks, and I am so excited about it. So at the current moment, it is Friday the 13th? Yes, Friday the 13th. And it is really spooky weather out. And I feel like it's just adding to the spookiness of Friday the 13th. And it rained yesterday and Wednesday. It stormed on Wednesday. And luckily I was off, so I didn't really have to worry about it, but I was not off on Thursday. And y'all, oh my gosh, what an exciting adventure of a day it was. All right, I did not lay these down straight, and now they are curling the page, and that is okay. We'll just work with it. Let's start with, here, we'll move the deco out of the way. I'm throwing everything. Okay, deco, or boxes. Let's do that first. So, I think we'll use this for our sidebar. I know that at the current moment, Jalria, which is the owner of MahaNoorStudio / TheCosmicStudio, she has been working on a book. So that's why she hasn't really been too active on social media in terms of sharing spreads and doing releases and such. But my time on her PR has been really, really fun, and I really love like how unique her stickers are. because I really love that she has just like such a cool take on kits. So like I said, at the current time of me filming, you can still get these kits, especially the muted florals, because I checked right before I started filming it to see if it was still available, and it is. So if you guys want to get this kit for spooky season or even just any time, you can totally still do that. All right, let's go with some of these other colors to bring in everything just a little bit more. I really like that you have different size boxes in these kits too. I think that's super helpful. I'm also going to use this one here. I'm gonna put this here in the weekend because I'm not off on Saturday this week, but I am gonna be off on Sunday, at least I hope so. And I want to make sure I have a box for to-dos and things. Okay, I don't see a groceries icon here, so I'll have to find my own, and that is okay, but we do want to have that on here. So on Tuesday is payday, and it's also, oh, not that color. We don't want to do the same color. Grocery list day. And then we also have, LOL, that was the same color. Oh well. We also have Wednesday is actual grocery pickup day. And I think we'll use this box down here. And maybe one more. I'm trying to see and add more florals. I think this one would be okay. I do want to add a checklist, so let me get these. I think we're going to go with the purple one. Kind of want to put it here. This is a very fun looking spread, I think. Let me see if I can peel this up without ripping the page, because I do want to move this up just a hair. I don't know if I'm going to be able to though. Okay, that worked out pretty well. That's not bad. I do need a title. I'm thinking the green one. That works good. I think that side looks fine to me. So let's move over to this side and add a little bit more. Let's see. I think we're going to use this black florals box up here. And a checklist down here. Let's use the red one. And we will use the black label box. There we go. All right, and let's move to these and add a few more boxes. Let's go with one there, one here, and then maybe we'll use one of these. I like that. I think that's working well. What do you guys think? Alright, I think I should probably add some deco to fill out the spread a little bit. I definitely want to use this one up in this corner up here, or at least maybe down in this corner, because it's already a corner sticker. But let's add all of the deco and fun stuff to the spread to see how it is going to turn out. That is it for this week in my catch-all planner for the week of the 16th through the 22nd. I really love how this turned out. It has got that perfect nonchalant spooky vibe that I was really going for. And the cool thing about her kits is I've got so much deco, so much regular, you know, so much of the kit left over. Like, I have enough for an entire other spread. So this is a good thing. I am very excited about how this spread turned out, and I'm really glad that I added the little bat swarms. I think that was a perfect touch to the spread, and it made it pop a lot. If you like this video and you want to see more of my catch-all spreads, don't forget to check out the description box below. There will be a playlist linked at the end of the video for my catch-all spreads, but in the description box, all of my other playlists are going to be listed, from different planner layouts to other crafting content. So if you guys are interested in seeing all of the other things that I plan with, definitely check out that description box. There's plenty for you to browse around in. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already so you are notified when I post new videos, so that you can see all of the different things that I plan on sharing with you guys throughout this month and throughout the rest of the year. And you can see my 2024 planner lineup, which I am very excited to share with you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!